everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another current empties video. Now, I don't have a lot of empties compared to last time. I'm going to try my best to get back in the what is the word I'm looking for? I don't know, but I'm going to try my best. When I have empties, I'm not going to let them pile all up and do this very long video. But I've had these sitting around for a couple months now, and I need to go ahead and throw them in the recycling bin. So I finally have some time to film this video. So I'm gonna share with you guys the products that I have been taking over the past couple of months, and of course let you guys know whether I will be purchasing again or not purchasing them again ever in life. Okay, so if you are interested in seeing my current empties, then keep watching. All right, so I have two small bags. It's in an HEB bag and Walmart bag. So first, I am going to go over like the soaps and all that stuff. So this is the Lysol laundry sanitizer, 0% bleach. I absolutely love this. It's been a few months since I've used it. I haven't rebought it. I do plan on purchasing again. I just keep forgetting when I buy laundry detergent and all that stuff. But I really liked it. I would use this. You use this when you put your soap in your washer machine. Okay, so definitely will be something that I will be repurchasing. All right, so next, if you are familiar with my channel and my natural hair and all that, I did a review on the Texture by Cantu apple cider vinegar line a while back. So I will put that in the card so you guys can check out that review if you're interested. Also, if you're familiar with me, I kind of switch with my hair products. I might take a break from one and go to another one, whatever the case may be. So I finally finished up the soothing shampoo because I started using that when I would wash my wigs and stuff. I'm actually not too sure if this particular line by Cantu is still around. I kind of sort of saw it on Amazon, but at the time when I was looking, like a bunch of the stuff that I had that I needed again was unavailable. So I'm not too sure if they even have this line anymore. If they do, I really liked it, but I'm kind of iffy because I know how my hair is. I mean, I recently cut my hair again, so I know how my hair is. My hair may or may not like this product anymore, but I don't know. I really liked it, so I'm not too sure. But like I said, I don't even know if it is around. So if it is around, it's definitely something that I would have to think about and considering. So next is the Suave Anti-Bacterial Body Wash Deeply Clean. Okay, this I was doing Instacart one time, and I saw this and I was like, hey, let me try this. Okay, so it's moisturizing a body wash with sea algae extract and vitamin E. I actually like this. I think I will get it again just to have it. I try not to use a lot of scented body washes like daily, for one reason, because I have very dry skin, and also, you know, when it comes to scented things, you don't want, especially if you take frequent baths or bubble baths, you don't want to constantly use a scented soap because that will affect your pH balance and all that stuff. So yeah, but I definitely like this, so I definitely will be getting this again just to have. So next is the Eos Shea Butter 24-hour moisture shave cream. This is Vanilla Bliss. I believe I had another one in another video, so y'all know I love this. It's super soft. This one smells so good. The three that I've had so far, absolutely love. So I definitely, whether it's this scent or another one, I will definitely be getting this again as well. So next is the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Wave Whip Curling Mousse. I usually would use this when I have wigs and I will I would swoop my little baby hairs. I usually would use this for that, or sometimes I would just use it for a mousse and put it in the hair if I have a wig. So this one I kind of like. This one I kind of like, so I will probably be getting I can't talk. This one I did like, so I will probably be getting it again just because I still do wear wigs from time to time. And it's a very good mousse. I actually really do like it. So next is the Tree to Tub Soap Berry for Body Wash. This is Sun-Kissed Citrus. I actually got this and I had to do a review for the company. I actually liked the smell. As you guys can see, it's like real small. I actually had used this for soap in my bubble baths, but the scent smells so good. But the scent smells so good. Again, it is Sun-Kissed Citrus. I do have the body lotion as well. It smells exactly like that. Really, really smells good. I'm personally not too sure if I would repurchase this or not. It's not something that I feel like, oh my God, I need to buy it again. If I decide to get it, like, hey, I want to use this again, then I'll do that. But it's not something that, I need to buy frequently of. So but I did like it. All right, so next is a couple things for makeup. So this is the Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Pore Minimize Primer. It's still a little bit more in there, but I don't know if I could really get, it's some in there, but I went ahead and put it in this bag because by the time I finish it, so, it's almost gone anyways. But I actually, when it comes to primers, some of them I can't really tell the difference. But I actually like this because it is a drugstore primer and it did work for me. So next is the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Protective Makeup Sunscreen. This is in 330 Toffee. I absolutely love this. Love, love, love. I definitely need to get some more, but this has been one of my favorite Maybelline foundations as of lately. I absolutely love this. This is so bomb. I don't think I ever got a chance to do a review on it or not. I don't think so. If I did, I will link it down below in the description box as well as in the cards, but I don't think I did. But I really do love this foundation. So if I haven't done a review and you guys are interested in a review about this, then let me know down below in the comments. It is old, it's an oldie, but it's definitely a goodie in my opinion. So next is the Anuv Luxe Raw Lace Glue Remover. I actually like this. As you guys may or may not know, I am a brand ambassador for this brand. So she had sent me some lace glue remover back like months ago, and I would use this to remove the lace off of my wigs, especially if I need to wash them and sell them, because I have been selling my wigs. So I actually like this, so I definitely want to get this again. And then I was cleaning out my makeup and stuff, and I saw this. I've been having this for a very long time. So this is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Liquid Ink Liner. This is in black. I don't remember if I actually liked this liner or not. I don't remember at all. I may have done a review, so if I did, I will put it in the description box below and as well as in the cards. But I'm not too sure if I would get this liner or not. I might buy it again. I didn't buy this one. I think influencer sent it to me, but I might buy it again just to see if I actually like it, because I don't remember. It's been so long. But for most part, most eyeliners I end up liking anyways, so, but we'll see. All right, so next I have some vitamins, okay, and some medicine, like, whatever. I'm gonna show you guys. All right, so first is I think it's Oli, the Perfect Women's Multivitamin. These were gummies, and I'm not too sure if I liked them or not. I had got them because I usually would take the 1-a-day vitamins, the real big vitamins that's still kind of hard to swallow, but I had stopped taking those and I wanted to try something different, because with these, you can take daily without food or water. But I'm not too sure if I liked these. I'm not too sure. So I'm kind of on the fence about if I would buy these again or not. I'm not too sure. So as far as the taste, because they were Blissful Berry. The taste wasn't too bad, but it's just, I don't know. I don't know. So I guess if I buy them again, we'll see. So next are the Goalie Gummies. I am a brand ambassador for them as well, so I will link the video down below in the description box as well in the card, so make sure you guys check that out. But these are the apple cider vinegar gummies, the super fruit, and the super greens. Now I really like the super fruit. I might get those again. Those are for beauty, wellness, and nutrition. It kind of had my skin glowing as they should be, so I might get these again. The apple cider vinegar gummies, I'm not too sure. I usually take some time from these, so I might get them, but I might not get them anytime soon. We'll see. And the super greens wasn't bad. I didn't really like the taste, but these were helpful because I do eat vegetables, but compared to when I was younger, I don't eat a lot of greens in one sitting. Like, I still love me some broccoli, but on a daily basis, I don't eat a lot of vegetables daily. So these definitely helped out. So I might get these again. I'm not too sure. So next I had got these in a Vox box. This is the Nature's Bounty Energy Jelly Beans. Cherry flavored, supports energy metabolism with vitamin B12. Now, these, I don't even know if they really worked. For adults, it says take 4 jelly beans daily, preferably with a meal. Yeah, I'm not too sure if they worked. You know, they're for energy, but I don't know. So I probably won't go out of my way to actually purchase these. Probably won't. So here's the one a day women's multivitamins. These are the ones that I usually take, but I haven't taken them in a while. I think the reason why I had stopped is because I take magnesium by itself. I take biotin by itself. In my magnesium, I believe it has vitamin B12. So I did not want to overdo it. So when I finished these, I pretty much took a break and just took my other tablets. So don't know if I will buy these again or not, because I'm so used to my supplements, you know, taking them on a daily basis now. So I don't know. I don't want to over, you know, dose on any of this stuff that's in here. So I might still continue to take a little break, but these are definitely something that I've always purchased. So next is the Spring Valley Ginger Root Supplements. This supports healthy digestion. I will probably buy these again. I just keep forgetting to. These are something that I would take daily. This is definitely one that you need to take with food, I believe. Yeah, preferably with a meal. So I will probably get these again. Also, I have the Spring Valley Green Tea. This is weight management, supports healthy weight management. I'm not too sure actually if these worked. I don't have a weight problem or any of that. I've actually gone down to the beginning of when the beginning of the pandemic was. I went down to that weight. So I really don't even know if these worked, you know, because sometimes I get in them places where my weight goes up and down. I mean, since the pandemic, I've gained weight, so it slows down, but it still kind of goes up and down. So I don't know yet if I'll be repurchasing these. So next is the Hum vitamins. I have the Oh My God Omega the Great fish oil supplements, and I have the Moody Bird. Now I love the Moody Bird, so I definitely will be getting that. I've been skipping my boxes over the past few months, but I definitely need to get the Moody Bird again. I really love those. That helps with your monthly and PMS. As far as the fish oil, I'm not too sure. They could have been working. I have no idea. So I don't know yet if I'll be getting these in my next box or not. I might go ahead and continue to take a little break. It really depends. But I have heard good things about these. I just really don't. I don't know. All right, so next is the Nutri Sweat Slim Thick Weight Loss Capsules. I had these a long time ago and I finally got rid of them. I'm also a part of the affiliate program for this company, which is Nutri. So I haven't done a video for them just yet, but I will soon in case you guys are interested. But yeah, I don't even know if these really worked. I think I just got them to test them out, but I don't remember if they worked, because like I said, my weight is just weird like that sometimes. So don't think I will be getting these again. All right, so next, I absolutely love these Tylenol Pm. Okay, these work like a charm. Definitely will be getting these. Okay, I went to the store recently and forgot to get them, but these definitely help. And I don't love them because it's a sleep aid, but I love the fact that aside from it being a sleep aid, in pain, it takes away that pain while you are sleeping. So when it's ovulation week for me, which was recently, I could feel everything. So I had taken I took 2 of these the other night, slept like a baby. The pain was gone during that time. So I love me some Tylenol Pm. I know that sounds crazy because it's medicine, but anything that can help take the pain away and works for me, I love. So definitely you'll be getting these back, okay? And last but not least, the Taste Vitamins, which I recently just did a review for you guys. So make sure you guys check that video out. But I am on my 3rd bottle now, but I went ahead and added these into the empties because I love them. And of course, I will be continuing to purchase these. So if you want to hear a little bit more information about these, make sure you check the description box below for the link. But that is pretty much it for my current empties. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. And of course, share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as post notification bells so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.